Hey guys, good morning. It's Prepper Madness here with an episode of Snot Sickle Theater. Just kidding. This is a VR for Moody Prepper. I'm not going to do any cooking right at this moment, but I'm just going to show a few of the different ways of cooking outside. And basically, you guys have seen a lot of these, right? So I'm just going to shut up and we'll get at it. Alright, so I've started out my prep work on this with just cutting up a bunch of various sized kindlings and tinders and main fuels for these fires. Alright, now so right here, this little one here is just two logs shaped in a V, and you put your pan right at the point like this and the handle pointing out, keep it cool. With the fire underneath, with the coals, with a good hot coal bed underneath. There's lots of different configurations for this. This is just the one that I'm using. And of course this one here, we've got the old star-shaped fire with the cooking tripod. We'll do something up on that here in the next few days. And just a basic fire pit. Okay, I just used a brake drum off of a semi. Okay. I think that's a 19-inch drum. And right over here, we have what they call the Swedish torch, or the Canadian candle. And we'll brew up a cuppa on that. Alright, so, anyhow, right now it's, as you can tell from my beard, it's a little cool out. It's 28 below Celsius. With the sun out, it's actually quite gorgeous. And I'll come back out a little bit later here in the afternoon after it warms up just a touch. Okay, you can see I'm not wearing gloves, so yeah, my hands aren't even really that cold, but we'll get into that. Okay, bye. And of course, there's my hound, Finn. Are you a good boy? Hey, my little Irish. Oh, my little Irish wolfhound puppy. I'll squeeze in on him. Yeah, anyhow, he's what is he now? He's 36 inches tall at the back, not at the head. He's weighing in at just a touch under 200 at 196. And he's killed his fair share of coyotes already, and he's still just a pup. He's not even a year and a half old yet. Hey, He's just loving sitting out here in the cold. It's too hot in the house for him. Stupid. Come here, stupid. Come on, stupid. Come on.